What is Taskrabbit? I'm here on Taskrabbit's website where you can choose or select some of the best or worst local independent contractors who are called taskers to assist you with various needs around your home or your business. So someone like myself who actually is a customer on Taskrabbit, I've used it, 3 or 4 times to actually hire other taskers to help me with various needs that I've had here at my actual place. And then on the other side, I've actually been a tasker, an independent contractor, a freelancer, a sole proprietor. I'm self-employed and I help people who need help, who need assistance with various needs. Maybe they need guidance with reorganizing their shed. Maybe they need help with lifting a couch, delivering a couch, picking up furniture, painting, yard work. There are dozens and dozens of different services that you can find people to help you with. Here are some of the top services that are provided here, like furniture assembly, as I mentioned, yard work, home repairs, mounting, help moving, cleaning. Now that's nothing compared to all of the services that are provided here. But a lot of people don't realize that Taskrabbit is not just, some way to make a few extra bucks, but if you are serious about your business, and that's what it is. I know you're an independent contractor, you're self-employed, you're sole proprietor, and you're like, nah, I'm just part of the gig economy. Well, you can make pretty good money. And I've have, other videos diving into how much money people are making on this platform, but you can see the average project for someone who does assembling a table or desk can be about $59 to $132. Mounting a TV or mirror, average project is $65 up to $120. Moving boxes via a truck, $65 to $135. Office or home delivery, $30 to $68. Maybe planting flowers, $60 to $120. This is here in Boston. Of course, projects are going to vary depending on where you are in the country or what country you are, what city you're in. And Boston is among the major cities where Taskrabbit is provided. So I would say the rates you're seeing are probably higher than what a lot of other areas are listed at. Also, you have to be mindful of the season. What time of year is it, and what services are probably going to be, relevant for that time of year. Can't imagine too many people are going to be planting flowers right now at the beginning of November. Yeah, winter is here. Not winter's coming, winter is here. I don't think many people are going to be planting flowers. So Taskrabbit is just a nice way to help people with getting the things done that they need help with. Maybe you just simply aren't strong enough to lift some of the boxes or heavy furniture that you have. Maybe you don't have the bandwidth to, manage to juggle your business while trying to move into your new office or, take care of your kids at the same time. Taskrabbit it's a win-win situation. It's a win-win solution because it helps to connect local independent contractors, people who are ultimately creating their own schedule. Yes, you get to create your own schedule and how much you want to charge people. So you ultimately decide your hourly rate and you get to help people who need your help, and in return you make money. So it's a win-win situation. I like it, and it's just so simple. It's so obvious, but yet so powerful in the manner that it has helped to transform so many people's lives, and customers too. I'm not just talking about taskers. I would say I'm essentially a full-time tasker. And, I used to do software sales full-time. Haven't been a full-time employee in like 5 years now, 4 years, 5 years. So I would say Taskrabbit has been a transformative gig app in my life. And I can imagine it has also played a significant role in many other taskers' lives as well. And, you can just see some of the featured taskers they have listed here: Jeffrey C., Dimitri, and Andrew. And they all got nice, 98 or above positive reviews. They've all completed at least, almost 200 tasks. And they have different hourly rates and they offer different services. So again, it's all in you and how you want to run with TaskRabbit. You can use it to help you with just making a few extra dollars a month. Maybe you're just like, I just need, give me another $300, $400, $500 a month. I'm good. Other people are making thousands and thousands of dollars here. And so, when people ask me, is TaskRabbit legit? Well, that's a video for another day, or maybe it's for right now if you want to check it out next.